Bonjour et bienvenue. Bonjour, ça va? Aujourd'hui, on fera le vocabulaire relié à l'aéroport. Le vocabulaire relié à l'aéroport. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire l'aéroport? Airport. Vocabulary related to airport. We learn today. Okay, l'aéroport. Repeat after me, please. L'aéroport, airport. L'avion. Plane, flight, aeroplane. La navette. Shuttle, bus. Le départ. Departure. La chariot à bagage. Luggage trolley. L'enregistrement. Check-in. Le billet d'avion. Le billet ticket of flight. Plane ticket. Le passeport. Le contrôle de sécurité. Security check. La porte. Gate. L'immigration. Répétez. L'immigration. Sillon. Immigration. La carte d'embarquement. Boarding pass. La carte d'embarquement. Boarding pass. Les bagages. Baggage. Arrival. Le bagage en main. Carry-on luggage. Hand luggage. Okay, carry-on luggage. Le bagage en main. Main means hand. Le bagage en main, carry-on luggage or hand luggage. Le bagage enregistré. Checked-in luggage. Le guichet. Counter. Le visa. La douane. Customs. Le décollage. Take-off. L'atterrissage. Landing. L'hôtesse de l'air. Air hostess. Stewardess. Air hostess. Le pilote. Pilot. Le passager. Passenger. Learn it. It will be useful while going to France. Okay. Now, this is lesson number 97. We have got 98, 99, 100. 3 more classes to go. Regarding this channel, it had no formal inauguration. Okay, this channel had no formal inauguration. No formal inauguration, yeah. See, we have a business in Thailand. We still now it's running, it's going on. You know rambutan, lychee, mangosteen and dragon fruits. We used to, this is rambutan, this is lychees, mangosteens, and this one is dragon fruit. Okay, this dragon fruit has got medicinal characteristics, medicinal values. What we do, we export from Thailand these Thai fruits, and these are all imported in India. Okay, I have a business partner in Thailand. His name is Mr. Boonpeng Sangkum. Mr. Boonpeng Sangkum. He lives in a place called Chonburi. So we have been doing this business for the past 3-4 years. So once in every 2 months or 3 months, I used to go to Thailand, and with my mobile phone, I used to shoot things of attraction. Whatever I see, wherever I go, I used to shoot. And you can see those videos in this same channel under the playlist Thailand. Those videos were not professional, amateurish. They are not professional. Okay, you can just go and view those videos, Thailand, under the playlist Thailand. And even at that time, I had the intention of teaching French, especially French grammar, to all those who are interested, like you friends. It was the shooting in Thailand was only a hobby. It was a pastime. Understand? But I had the intention of teaching French. To some extent, I had been busy. So 100 days back, the time ripened. The dream came into reality. Yeah, it's nearly 100 days back. So this classes are done, classes are taught for my full satisfaction. Okay, full satisfaction. I might have made some mistakes writing the lesson number, or might have been there might have been some spelling mistakes which have been out of my reach. Okay, I might have done. I do not know. I am not sure. But as far as my memory goes, I had no compromise. I did it with all my effort put together. Understand? What is the success of these 100 days? If somebody like you friends got benefited, you have learned some French, or you have learned some English, that is the success of these classes. I have the full satisfaction of teaching you, and it has been an enjoyment. I do not take it as a work. It's not a task. I had no tension, no stress. I was as cool. I was always in the day-to-day life. While teaching, I had no stress, and it has been really an enjoyment teaching you. While teaching or while shooting this video like this, I had difficulties also. Unexpected difficulties came. Okay, that also we will discuss in the next classes after the lesson. Small lesson I will teach, and we will discuss about these experiences. You are also welcome to share your experiences about these classes. Okay, whether it is fun-filled, not fun-filled, it was useful. Okay, please share. I will be happy to read those comments. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow. Au revoir. Merci. À demain.